Hello everyone, my name is Omid Latifi and I'm joined by my colleague Pratik for this year's Leader Circle AI Innovation Awards. We are excited to be presenting Smart Capacity Management, an award-winning AI project designed to make Canadian community centers more accessible, equitable, and enjoyable. Before we dive in, let me introduce our team. I'm Omid Latifi, serving as product manager on this initiative. My partner is Pratik our AI integration engineer. Together, we've combined our skills in product development and artificial intelligence to create a solution that directly addresses real challenges faced by both community members, recreation staff, and as well as municipalities as a whole. This project was born from a problem I experienced personally growing up in Barrie. When I was younger, I'd visit City of Barrie community centers excited to play basketball, swim, or hit the gym before a high school wrestling tournament. But I'd go there only to find the facilities completely packed with no way to know beforehand. Calling ahead of time often results in no answers, and even if I am lucky enough to be given a head count, it is often inaccurate and done manually. This frustration isn't unique to me. It's a widespread issue affecting thousands of community members and recreation centers across multiple cities in Canada. Let's break down the specific problems members face. First, uninformed arrivals. People show up not knowing if there's even space available, whether it's on a treadmill or within the swimming pool. This leads to wasted time and frustration, especially for families who've traveled with young children from faraway locations only to be turned away. We see uneven usage patterns, where some days and times the facilities are empty, while others are impossibly crowded. Overcrowding issues make the experience unpleasant even for those who do manage to get in, which is only exaggerated by the uneven usage. Finally, unclear wait times leave people guessing whether they should stay or leave, particularly for activities like pickleball, where courts rotate, or gym equipment, where only one individual at a time can use them. The problems extend beyond just the members. Community centers themselves face serious operational challenges. Lower community engagement occurs when people stop coming because they can't reliably access community center programs. This directly translates to reduced revenue for the city from these facilities. Staff also find themselves becoming overwhelmed handling constant capacity inquiries and difficult interactions with frustrated patrons who often have the same repeating questions. Meanwhile, recreation facilities remain underutilized at times because people avoid them out of uncertainty rather than the actual capacity constraints of these centers. Our mission for the Smart Capacity Management System in Canadian community centers is straightforward. We want to empower communities with real-time insights and intelligent tools that are based off artificial intelligence technology to make recreation centers more accessible, equitable, and enjoyable for everyone. Smart Capacity Management delivers 5 core features. Our intelligent crowd quantifier uses computer vision using existing CCTV camera infrastructure to track real-time capacity automatically. Capacity forecasting predicts how busy facilities will be hours or days in advance. Online slot reservations allow members to ensure that their spot is secure before traveling all the way to the community center. And an AI chatbot handles common inquiries instantly, leaving staff to handle other tasks. And our AI call agent also manages phone inquiries, eliminating wait times and further staff burden. We have designed a demo on how our live capacity CCTV tracking works. The script dynamically adjusts according to the frame rate and logs the count in the given interval. For this video, we can log at the interval the count of incoming and outgoing visitors along with the total count visits at the interval of 1 second. In the video, the visitors enter our premises by going into the upward direction in the CCTV video, so we selected the door direction of up. We can also see the process rows in at the selected interval of time as it dynamically fetches the latest count in the app. Not only can we count the people in real time, we can also predict the number of incoming and outgoing people for the next day, week, month, and even year at as detailed as hourly intervals. For this demo, we've created next day at hourly interval predictions. For creating this prediction, we start by taking raw incoming and outgoing counts saved in the CSV file for the last 2 weeks. As you can see, there's over 2,000 rows worth of time series data. The forecasting script then aggregates the counts at the hourly interval and uses it to train the random forest regressor model. This model can then predict the incoming and outgoing count of the next working day's hours and save it to the output CSV file. Now we will be taking a look at the main Smart Capacity Management website, which includes a breakdown of our solution, our story behind it, our wins, the team, and as well as a link to a live demo of a City of Barrie community center called Peggy Hill, which will show exactly what a front-end user would be able to see. Capacity forecasting predicts future capacity levels. Patrons can view daily, weekly, and even monthly capacity analytics and forecasting predictions to plan their visits. Online slot reservations allows users to book in advance. Users can view live capacity of different aspects of the facility and book accordingly. AI text and call agents automates inquiries and assistance. Answers text and calling-based inquiries instantly 24/7. Here is an example. Can you predict how busy it will be tomorrow at 6:27 p.m.?
We expect around 725 visitors at 6:27 p.m.
Can you predict the forecast for how busy it'll be tomorrow morning?
In the morning, we anticipate about 240 visitors.
This project was originally developed for the City of Aurelia Bright Minds Innovation Challenge back in February 2025. The challenge centered on a specific problem. The Aurelia Recreation Center and Rotary Place Arena offer drop-in activities on a first-come, first-served basis with no capacity tracking system. Staff reported being constantly interrupted by patrons asking about wait times. Members expressed frustration, saying things like, "I wish I knew how busy the pool was before I came with my young children," and "If I had known there was a wait, I wouldn't have come today." Our solution directly addresses these documented pain points with technology that respects both staff workflows and member needs. So why does this problem require AI? Let's first examine why traditional approaches simply don't work. Manual counting is labor-intensive and error-prone. It interrupts staff workflow constantly and provides only a snapshot in time, not continuous tracking. The moment staff finish counting one area, assuming it's even correct, the numbers have already changed. Simple check-in systems have their own limitations. They tell you who's checked in, but not where people actually are within the facility. A member might check in and use the pool, gym, or courts, but the system can't differentiate. This also doesn't account for guests, passes, or other ways of entering the facility. Most critically, these traditional methods are purely reactive, not proactive. They can't predict future capacity or help members plan their visits strategically. Hardware investments such as cameras are not required, since we will be using existing CCTV infrastructure already found in these community centers. These cameras, paired with detection and tracking models, provide real-time, accurate capacity counts across every monitored area. Machine learning forecasting takes this further by analyzing historical patterns to predict future capacity. Members can check tomorrow's forecast before they even leave home. Natural language processing powers our chatbot and call agent, handling inquiries 24/7 without adding to staff workload. This is the crucial point. This isn't AI for replacement, it's AI for enhancement. We're freeing staff to focus on what they do best, creating excellent member experiences rather than spending their time answering repetitive capacity questions or manually counting heads. Let me walk you through the technical implementation. For dynamic capacity tracking, we use state-of-the-art computer vision. Our detection models include YOLO V12, which offers exceptional speed and accuracy for real-time person detection. SSD provides reliable multi-scale object detection. RTDETR delivers transformer-based detection with strong performance. All of these lightweight models can be run on local hardware found within these community centers, specifically in their IT departments. These models identify every person entering and exiting tracked spaces. However, detection alone isn't enough. We need to track individuals across frames to accurately count entries and exits. This is where our tracking models come in. Deep Sort combines deep learning with traditional tracking for robust ID assignment, which is going to come in handy later for forecasting. ByteTrack handles occlusions and crowded scenes effectively. Kalman Filter predicts motion and maintains tracking continuity. Together, these systems, which are all open source using MIT licenses, provide accurate, real-time capacity counts across all monitored areas. A major consideration for municipal implementation is cost. Cloud-based solutions might seem convenient at first, but they become expensive quickly with continuous video processing fees, uptime, etc. Our analysis shows that local CCTV infrastructure paired with our lightweight detection models hosted in these facilities provide significant cost savings after just 9 months. By processing video locally using edge computing devices, we eliminate ongoing cloud fees while maintaining privacy and reducing latency. This makes the solution financially sustainable for cities of any size within Canada. Beyond real-time tracking, we predict capacity in advance with 96% accuracy. We employ multiple forecasting models, including Aramax and Ceramax for time series analysis with external variables like weather and events. LSTM neural networks capture complex temporal patterns. Profit handles seasonality and holidays effectively. By combining these approaches, members can check tomorrow's predicted capacity before they even leave home, allowing them to plan visits around quieter times. Capacity tracking also enables us to store numbered information on visits, allowing us to create even more accurate capacity forecasting models. One of the most immediate impacts is on inquiry handling. Currently, staff spend significant time answering phone calls and front desk questions about capacity or other questions related to the community center. Our AI chatbot and call agent provides instant responses via email, chat, and phone. This reduces staff workload while giving members 24/7 access to information. Members get answers in seconds rather than waiting on hold, and staff can focus on in-person service and program quality. The social impact extends far beyond operational efficiency. We are driving increased engagement by making recreation centers more accessible. Healthier and happier communities emerge when people can reliably participate in physical activities. We're reducing inequality by ensuring everyone has equal access to information and facilities, not just those who can afford to travel multiple times. Improved accessibility means families with young children, seniors, and people with mobility challenges can plan visits confidently. The result is reliable, stress-free recreation for everyone. Now let me share our real-world validation. We first designed, built, and presented this project at the City of Aurelia City Hall for the Bright Minds Innovation Challenge. The response was overwhelming. We won first place, and both Pratik and myself received many awards for our work. We also received personal award letters signed by the Mayor of Aurelia and presented to us at the City of Aurelia City Hall. After the enormous success the project received, we decided to expand it to the City of Barrie. After we refactored the solution for City of Barrie recreation centers and presented it at the RISE 2025 award ceremony, which is an annual research, innovation, scholarship, and entrepreneurship competition. Once again, Smart Capacity Management took first place, validating that this solution scales across different municipalities. This also further validated our problem solution fit, feasibility, and as well as market demand. During summer 2025, we presented at the City of Barrie City Hall, where Smart Capacity Management was accepted as a pilot project for City of Barrie community centers. This represents real implementation, moving from concept and award-winning student-led project to deployment in the very facilities where I experienced these problems growing up. This felt like a true full-circle moment, and I could not have been more proud of our team. The project has gained significant attention from news outlets and media. We've been featured in Aurelia Matters, Barrie Today, Lakehead Engineering Publications, and Lakehead University News. The coverage consistently highlights three themes: innovation in municipal services, using AI for good rather than job replacement, and directly improving local communities. This isn't theoretical AI. It's practical technology solving real problems that people face every single day. Thank you for your consideration. Smart capacity management represents the kind of AI innovation that enhances communities rather than disrupt them. It respects staff, empowers members, and makes recreation accessible to everyone. We are excited to announce that we have a live demo as well as a dedicated website to our solution and the story behind it. You can either go to the link on screen or scan the QR code. Our website and live demo can be viewed on computers, tablets, and mobile devices. I'm excited about the potential to bring the solution to even more communities across Canada. Let's use AI to make our communities healthier, happier, and well connected. Thank you for listening.